we're doing today. Yay! I can hear the roar of the crowd. And we have some dirt. We have more dirt in the garage. Miss Bailey's here. So we're putting landscape fabric over the bottom, and then we'll flip it over on the other side so the grass doesn't grow up inside the beds. And then we're going to fill the bottoms with rocks from all around the property. So I'm out here picking up rocks, see them in the ground sticking up. Those are places we can't mow until we pick up. And we're gathering rocks for our raised bed. So I'm driving around trying to pick up rocks. See, there's some in the ground there and in the ground there. When the mower hits them, it can break your mower. And we're just filling up the bucket. A lot of our cabin was built with these rocks. Alright, let's go find some more. Get out here before we run into a whole bunch of snakes. It's supposed to get up to 70, but it isn't yet. It's about 62 degrees out here. All that long grass you're looking at is sage grass. Actually saw a lady decorate a wedding chapel with sage grass. We have a lot of it. Okay, let's go on to the next tree. Okay, I've got a few rocks in the first bed. I gotta go fill up the other side. So, I gotta go back to the tree over there and either haul them or work smart, not hard, right? So I put them in the bucket and bring them back over here. I've been throwing the rocks all around the trees so we can drive around and pick them up when we need them. And they won't hurt the mower. So, off to go get more rocks.
This wood is wet. There. Okay, so as you can tell, we've already built 2 raised beds. One of them's filled. It's got what is it? We pulled soil out from by the barn. That's good soil. And then we also bought 20 bags of other kinds of soil to mix in.
Black cow.
Black cow, which is cow manure, compost, and some other organic soil
with worm castings. Yeah.
Mixed it all in. We're going to do the same thing with a different kind of organic soil for this one.
And what size are these?
These are 8x4 by about 20 inches high, reclaimed wood from the barn. So I drew this out. It's not to scale really. Here's what we're going to do temporarily to keep the deer out of what we're going to get ready to plant in the one bed we got ready. We're going to put a fencing around it. This is what we're going to do permanent later. We're going to have a 4-foot area where the fence will go around. We'll have a gate up top on the south side, and this is north, south, west and east. So we'll have 4 feet on the sides, and then on the back we'll have 6 foot. We're going to have the greenhouse on the back side, and the door will be on the back side of the greenhouse. We're also going to have a gate over here so that we can bring water from the little shop without much problem. We're going to actually have 2 full-size raised beds, 8x4 by 2 boards high, roughly 20 inches. And then we're going to have 2 of the 4x4 raised beds on the very ends. And one of these is actually, out of the 4, one's only going to be 1 high for pumpkin and watermelon. I think those were the 4x4s that we were, the 4x4 beds that we were going to do. So in total, we will actually have 4 full beds going at some point. The greenhouse, our chicken coop will come over here at some point, and we'll have it all fenced in. But for today, we're actually going to just fence the back side and all the sides on the 2 beds that we've got, so we can keep the deer out. And then we're going to start putting posts in where we're going to have our permanent fence. So anyhow,
okay, we've had a lot of rain, and we did get the rest of the other bed built, and we got the soil done in the first bed, and I've got some rocks in the second bed. It was raining, so I had to stop. But Bill did get the partition roped off here. This is just a section that we're trying to make sure is all straight and level. And then, as you can see over there, that's going to be the size of our chicken house. And so we're going to, we've got a little bit of time, probably a month, to be able to build that. And the greenhouse is going to be the same plans. We're just going to construct it, each one of them just a slight difference, so that, you know, easy to follow the plan. The clouds are coming in. It's pretty dark today, and I'm going to put some video in here what happened when it started raining. Turkeys filled this pasture right here. I hope I got it. And all the wild turkey are coming in because turkey season opens in a week and a half. And we've had so many turkey walk through here. And I've only seen one tom, a bunch of hens, but I'm sure there's little ones with them. I just can't tell. The toms, you know, always strut around and pull out their feathers, so I'm able to see those. But they were out here scratching around and checking out the pasture that we mowed, and now it needs mowing again. So I wanted to show you that part, and we're going to film the construction segments as well, and then we are going to be ordering our Premier One fencing, and we'll be revealing the plans as we go along. And next week I'll be taking along the camera because we're going to be going to Dallas to see my children next Thursday. Well, I think it's Thursday. The 29th is my 50th birthday, and I want to go spend it with my children there in Dallas. So I'll be bringing the camera along, and y'all can join us for my little birthday celebration there with my children. I don't want to make them drive all the way up here. And I need to get home. Bill's mom and dad live in North Dallas too, and so we're going to make a stop and see his mom and dad, you know, while we're in town. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and walk Bailey, but I wanted to give y'all a little update on that. And we will see you guys on the next video. I'm going to be putting out one recipe before the weekend, so look for that. And anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video.
Okay. Not a problem. We'll be here. All right. All right. Later. Bye.
They're flying off. There they go. They saw you. Holy cow.
There's like 20 of them out here. I can't get any of them.